so funny. Ice. Look at that. Echo? It's pure ice. I'm terrified. The amount of times I've almost fell on my butt this week is past me. What is up, YouTube? I left my light on all night. I don't know what's going on with the hair today. I like to call this type of thing a bun fro because, like, I don't know, it's just super poofy, like an afro. I don't know, a bun fro. Does that make any sense? Probably not. Today I'm vlogging a week 2, episode 2 of my summer shredding program. I'm super excited to bring you guys along for the day, showing you guys what I'm eating and how I'm moving my body. Gym for a back and bicep day, and today is gonna kind of be like not my average typical day because Daniel just went down to Grand Rapids to have a dude's day with his best friend Connor, and I am going to be spending the day with my little sister. I have no idea what we're gonna do, but I have a feeling it's gonna be fun. But it is a Saturday and I'm just super excited to spend some quality time with my little sister because there's quite the age gap. We're 8 years apart and I haven't been able to really spend any time with her since moving to Florida just because things have been busy. I've been moving, I've been all over the place, my new job, just life. Also, Daniel and I this morning, we were in like a feisty mood, so we were like play fighting all morning. Not even like play fighting, just like messing around with each other. And somehow, some way, he did something, like he touched my legs or something in like a weird way, and it made me like go like this, like move forward, and I ended up like biting him in the chin, and then like once he moved, my teeth like went into my lip, so I literally have like a bloody lip. Yeah. Note to self, don't mess around with a boyfriend because he'll probably always win because he's a lot bigger than me. Bro. This parking job though. When your girl doesn't know how to back into a spot because her freaking Equinox backup camera is freaking dirty. I gotta give Echo a bath today. sun is out. Yay! We're gonna put some protein in these muscles. I got the raw vegan protein powder, flavored chocolate. I'm kind of iffy about this one. I don't know if I really like it yet or not. Note to self, always turn off your vents if you're pouring protein powder or any type of powder in your car. Too many times have I let powder go everywhere. Anyways, this powder, I wanted to try something vegan because a long time ago I tried a vegan chocolate protein powder and I absolutely loved it. This one I'm not like 100% sold on yet, but I've also been like drinking it with almond milk and I don't know, like too cold, if that makes any sense. Like sometimes drinks that are too cold, it just like takes away. So we're gonna try it today with water and give it a try. A nice little 20 grams of protein in there. Guys, seriously, if you don't have a heel mix, y'all need to go get one. That could have been the other issue, is I didn't use my heel mix. It was kind of like grainy, if that makes any sense. So we'll give it a try with some water in the heel mix. I still don't know, but then again, like I just don't like protein powder at all. Like I just don't. Like if I don't have to do it, I won't. I give it like a 8 out of 10, which is pretty high for like protein powder. But yeah, like I said, I just don't like protein powder. I hate the like consistency of them. Like they all just taste so grainy and watered down. I guess that's kind of the point, but like I don't know. I want to taste something good, but in the bodybuilding world, half the time, all the good foods do not actually taste good. And I've just come to notice that and live with it. Anyways, I'll catch y'all when I get home. Look at all the ice fishers out. Oh my goodness. All right, we made it home. We got ready, and now we're off again. Carly, YouTube Carly, say hi. Hi. How old are you? Tell me something cool about yourself. 14. And? She rides horses, y'all. She's a cowgirl. I think we're gonna go get some food. What are you in the mood for?
I don't know.
Anything? What's your favorite food? Chicken? Well, I don't know where we're going, but we'll catch you when we get there. Round 2 of trying to back into a parking spot today. It's a little bit better, but not by much. Alright, how was your lunch? Good. Mine was pretty good. We are going to go through the car wash because, like I said earlier, I could not see out of the like rear view camera to my car, and I would really like that, to be able to park a little bit better. So we're gonna go do that, and then we have 2 big totes in the back for Goodwill to drop off, and since we're there, we might as well do some thrifting. Goodwill. What are you on the mission to look for?
Bell bottoms. They don't really have any though, so don't really have high hopes.
It's worth a shot though, right?
Maybe.
What'd you get at Goodwill? You wanna show
New
'em?
boots and 2 shirts.
Let's see them. You got the Puma. Cute. Isn't that your favorite color too?
Teal and pink. And just a top for summer.
I got this black and white shirt, and I was hemming and hawing on it for a long time, but then I just figured it would be a good like summer shirt for going out in church and stuff. So yeah, now we're waiting in line to get the car washed. we didn't do it before Goodwill because the line was literally almost all the way to the end of the like driveway. So now we're back. Look at the size of this shoe. It's like bigger than my head. Like, that's terrifying.
I did take out a skirt, but probably when I worn it, so I didn't get that.
That was cute. Like, crop top with a star on it. And once again, the teal colors. Where are we heading?
Meyer.
Yeah. What do we have to get at Meyer? What do we have to get at Meyer?
Stuff. Valentine's stuff.
For?
People.
Who are these people?
People.
Why
That
are
we
you
know.
blushing? Why are you blushing? Tell them. Why are you blushing? Somebody's got a little boyfriend. Alright, our Meyer trip went well. Showed them for Valentine's Day. We got her this like cute flower. I think it's a daisy, I don't really know. But it's really pretty. And then I needed a new air freshener. So got a couple of those. Since the outside is clean, we gotta have the inside smelling clean, right? That's the one I like. Now I know. There's two like blue ones, and I couldn't remember what kind I usually get, and it's the Caribbean Colada. That's the one I like. And then we're gonna fill out this card for my mom before we get to the house, and just give her an early Valentine's Day gift. Gum, because I need it. Y'all know I'm obsessed. And then Carly, I'm not going to show you guys, but Carly got a special something for a special someone. And then we needed a little snack, so we got some pineapple to snack on. Thankfully, I'm used to always having meal prep with me, so I have spoons in the car. Bananas for breakfast tomorrow. So, safe to say we had a successful little Meyer trip. We're gonna head home now, I think. And then Daniel's almost back from Grand Rapids, so we're planning on taking the dogs for a little walk. Since obviously the sun is shining and it's beautiful out, I'm gonna take the dogs for a walk. How's your pineapple?
Good.
Just picked up Daniel since he got back from Grand Rapids. And now we're heading home. We're going for a walk. Oh, that's solid. Oh. I thought you lost. Pretty solid. Oh. We got some chicken fajitas, which is chicken, salsa, peppers, and a little bit of sour cream on there. Yum. Daniel and I got a sweet tooth, and so we're heading downtown to the little gas station to grab some Halo Top, and we're bringing Teddy along for the ride because he likes rides. When your short girlfriend drives everywhere. Bag secured. And our little sweet treat to end off the night. We got Halo Top in there with a little bit of sugar-free Hershey syrup and the protein cookie on the bottom. That is gonna conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a vlog with Jay again.